Hey everybody, due to YouTube's new terms and conditions, this video is now age restricted. If you are not 18 or older, please exit the video. Thank you. Hello again everybody, and welcome back to York River Cannabis. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make CBD butter to cook with. But first, before we get into today's video, if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button if you're new here to the channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you very much. And if you would, please give the video a thumbs up to show your support. So today we're going to be making a very simple recipe on how to make CBD butter. And first, of course, we're going to be using our hemp flower that we grew this summer out in the fields. And this is our cherry wine variety. We have plenty of it. And it comes in at 17.4% CBD. So I'm looking forward to using this in our butter recipe. The other thing, of course, that we always feature in pretty much every single one of our cooking videos, and we're happy to have a whole bunch more stuff to use now, is our magical butter machine. Of course, this is what our staple is to make everything. Easy, clean, no mess, and it's just a dedicated cannabis cooking device. The other thing that we'll be using today, which is the first for all of our videos, is the magicalbutter.com decarb box with thermometer. This is going to kind of be a game changer for us because I have received comments like, is there another way not to use aluminum foil or a household pan? Yes, magicalbutter.com does make a decarb box, and this is what we're going to use from here on out. And you know the drill by now with decarb. We're going to put our flour in the box, preheat our oven to 250 degrees to 230 degrees for about 30 minutes. And now that's your preference on what your temperature is, how much you want it to decarb. But the cool thing about this is it has an internal thermometer that you plug right into the box, so you know what the temperature of those flours are at all times. Now, for today's recipe, we're also going to be using magicalbutter.com's butter tray mold so that we can get the sticks of butter right back to where they were prior to making our CBD butter. And in today's recipe, we're just going to be using unsalted organic butter that we purchased from our local grocery store. And we're going to be using 4 sticks of butter and approximately 26 grams of decarboxylated hemp flour. And of course, you could always add raw material too to get that CBDA. It really depends on where you want it to be. But for today's purposes, we're just doing decarb flour. So that's for today's recipe. I'm going to go gather all the materials. I'm going to get the oven preheated, get our flour into the box, and explain to you what exactly you need to do to make CBD butter. Today, we're going to be making that butter. And all we're going to need to do is, now that we have our decarb flour, and again guys, you know the drill, this flour was in the oven for about 30 minutes at 250 degrees. We're going to go ahead and put all this flour in. Try to get all of it in. You know the drill, I can never get it all in. Then we're going to get our melted butter and put that in. Again guys, 2 cups of butter. Okay, now that we have our 2 cups of butter and our 26 grams of decarb flour, we're going to go ahead and turn on our magic butter machine. So we're going to be doing 160 degrees for 2 hours, and we will see you guys in 2 hours. So this time I took the liberty of straining the butter. It's again no different than any of our oil videos, and if you guys want to see how we strain that, go ahead and check out that video. I'll leave it up top so you can check out that video. But essentially, I've already strained the butter and have cooled it down and taken the sticks out. But I wanted to show you the simplicity of this magical butter tray, because when you go to pop out your butter, it is a literal stick of butter. And that's what makes it really easy, guys. You can see the numbers imprinted at the bottom, and it just makes it really easy to use in any recipe. So you can look for this to be in a lot of our recipes in the future. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this butter recipe. It's really simple, guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will gladly answer them. If you haven't yet, check us out on Facebook, Patreon, Instagram, and all other things, including our website. And if you guys are interested in any of our products, you can always visit rbalternatives.com, and we're in our partnership with them, and most of our flour can be found on that website. That's all I have for you guys today. I will see you in another video. Take care.